you what you want, but you want me alone.
I got my Mickey ears.
But you want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. I get you what you want.
Today is the day of my 21st birthday shoot. I'm very excited with my own hair and makeup. How did I do? I don't know, I mean, I feel pretty cute. Tell me I don't look cute. If you say I don't look cute, you're just being a hater. But it's okay, because you know haters are my motivators. No, but I'm very excited. I don't have any of the outfits on because I don't want to mess them up. But 3 looks, so I'm very excited. And I'm going to take you guys with me. See you there. And then it came out when I laughed. That's fine.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through.
About to try my birthday cake. They said it was really good, so let's see.
Really good.
I'm really excited. And I keep getting icing on me. I just did it again. I know.
That's like the third time.
It was really good. Trying to get to the cookie butter.
Yeah.
It's good. That tastes really good. Is my lips black?
Are mine black?
No, a little bit.
Security just left a message.
Probably too dark. You can't even see anybody.
That's not that unusual. It's a security thing. Just make sure our guys have the front entrance set for Keith, and his own security will take it from there.
Thank you. Officially 21. What am I doing? I can't believe I'm 21. This is insane. Wow. Wow. I'm 21. Wow.
You are so old.
Wow. I'm 21.
Time flies.
I'm getting old. I don't know what to say. I just want to thank my mom. Wow, I can't believe I'm 21 right now. Wow, my lips low-key still look black.
I haven't even looked at mine. Yeah, it kind of looks like, I don't know.
No, I know exactly what you mean.
I see it though. Well, I'm glad I got to wear this fit. Okay, it is my 21st birthday and I am with Jada. We're at Disneyland. I'm so excited. Hopefully we figure out where to go because I don't really know. But we're just following the signs. But I'm very excited we're at Disneyland. So let's see where it takes us. I got my Mickey ears. So cute. So excited. We're about to get our day started.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Got it. Got it.
Sorry.
You know Ariel, the mermaid? Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice.
Under the sea, darling, it's winter down where it's winter. Take it from me. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you gonna be on the plate.
Welcome to my cold place. Don't touch the knees and I help them.
Yes, I do.
Oh, this is a cute little ride. Nice and smooth. As we hear the people scream from the other way. Like, soon. Oh, that was it?
Stop.
Oh, dang. That was it? Got my Disney birthday pin. Hope you can see that.
These drumsticks are really good. Like, poetry place. Thank you. This is delicious. The outside, nice and crispy. Delicioso. Honestly, this gets a 10 for me. Crispy. And you know me? You know I love my chicken. But this chicken isn't just like any regular chicken. Like, this is really good. About to go on the Incredicoaster. I'm really scared, I'm not gonna lie, because it's a lot. And it's definitely probably one of the longest rides. And every time we pass by, we just hear people screaming. But I feel like I have to do this for myself and redeem myself from a ride at checking out at like 13. And I just didn't even know I did it. Okay. Just to do it, you know? And it'll be over before I know it, and then I can just be proud that I did it. So let's pray that the lashes and everything stays on. I just hope I don't break a nail. I'm gonna be safe, I'm gonna be careful, but I'll probably be gripping on for dear life. So let's see how it is. Just did the Incredicoaster and it was so fun. It really wasn't nowhere as bad as it looks or I thought it was gonna be, and I only screamed like 3 times, and it wasn't like a long scream. It was just like ah. But it was so fun. I'm glad I did it because I feel like I redeemed myself. Now I feel like I could do any ride. That was like so fun. 10 out of 10. For sure my favorite ride I've done here. I'm so excited I went. I'm glad I went. That was fun. We got some bad drivers at Disney.
You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure to turn umbrella is upside down. reality will go. Just have a little faith in your dreams, and someday the rainbow will come smiling through. How your heart is screaming if you keep on living the dream that you wish, the dream that you wish, that you wish will come true.
We have now left Disney California Adventure and now we are in the Disneyland park. So I'm excited. Let's see what we get.
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin.
I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding evil. Evil, I found you. I was so worried.
You guys noticed the early volcano?
We survived an erupting volcano.
Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Of a far-off place where a voice keeps saying, "This is where I am."
Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to.
Where I long to be.
See, in hope I want to picture.
I'll be there living in the sun. Give me one day out there. All I ask is one to hold.
So I'm just getting home and I checked the mail before I came inside, so I got my mom's gift, so I'm gonna open that. You're not even present, you're falling asleep.
I'm listening, Maya.
Okay. It says, "Happy birthday to my beautiful daughter who constantly shows me how good life can be." And then all of that falls on me. "And whose inspiring presence and genuine caring have brought so much joy to my life. May all of your dreams and manifestations come true for your birthday. Love, Ma, Kayla, Jarrell, and Benchelle." And $21 $1 bills. Thank you, Mother. Mother,
You're welcome.
did you get these bills at the strip club?
You know I did. That's all I get from them.
I got you saying that on candid camera. Money, 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 money. Money. Okay, as I come to the last minute of my 21st birthday, I want to share my final thoughts. We're not going to talk about how I look, okay? I'm not even going to tell you what time it is. Anything. We're not going to talk about any of that, okay? I just want to say I genuinely feel so blessed and grateful to make it to 21. Not everyone makes it to 21. Not everyone I've known has made it to 21. So I feel incredibly blessed and grateful to have made it to 21. Genuinely can't believe I'm 21. You mean to tell me I can go like buy drinks and stuff like that? Like, that doesn't really matter to me because I don't drink, but it's so insane. It's like actually kind of hard for me to comprehend because I first moved to LA when I was 17 and it wasn't even 2 weeks after I finished high school because I finished early, and now I'm 21. I was 17 when I came here and now I'm 21. It's kind of hard for me to fathom that I'm like generally growing up, and the past like couple of years I kind of like dreaded it, just dreaded getting older because for me it's like genuinely scary, the thought of getting older and more responsibilities, the thought of the unknown, the fact that I'm not a kid anymore. I mean, I still kind of feel like I'm kind of a kid. 21 is not at all what I expected it to be in terms of like what 21 looked like to me as a kid. It was so much more adult, so much more grown. I thought when I was 21, I don't know, I guess I'm be honest, when I was a kid, I used to watch Bad Girls Club, so I thought I'd be out, like, clubbing all the time, and I just turned 21. I couldn't really go to no club unless it was 18-plus club, and I actually have never been to the club, but I just thought that my life would look a particular way at the age of 21. 21 is so different than what I thought it would be. I had different expectation, and, you know, as you grow up, get older, whatever, you just don't want all of the same things. Change, you grow, and you don't want everything you used to want. And sometimes you want things that you didn't want. I mean, I know that's very obvious, but just getting my thoughts out of my mind, you know. Give me a break. Yes, I still have these Disney earrings on because I'm not taking these off until I go to bed. I could low-key go to bed with these. Y'all, these were like $40 basically. $40 for a headband. But I bought it. Obviously. I mean, I can't go to Disneyland for my first time and not get Mickey ears. Like, what did you think I was going to do? No, but back to the point. I am very excited to see what the year of 21 will bring me. The year of 20 was amazing, and oh my gosh, I grew so much. 20 really, really pushed me to finally like having to start set boundaries with people and not just put everybody before me all the time, and really focus on like finding peace for myself. If you're not bringing peace in my life or you're making my life unpeaceful, you gots to go. I'm really starting to finally put myself first, and it's still a struggle, but I'm getting there, and I really think I deserve it because I've put everybody first my whole life. Why is this getting so deep? Everybody at Disneyland was so nice. I got so many happy birthdays. I just felt so special and so loved today, and my past like 3 birthdays or so have been really good. And if you know me, you know I've had like a long line of bad birthdays, and ever since 18 they've been good, so that's really good. It's almost like Callie did it to me, huh? Finally got out of North Carolina and I started having happy birthdays. Isn't that interesting? Oh wow, I don't know if I ever connected that before. That might actually be a connection. Anyways, I just felt so special and so loved today because I can't remember the last time I got as many happy birthdays as I got today. I got so many happy birthdays. Like I generally have not had the time to respond back to everybody because I was at Disneyland all day. So I will respond back to everybody tomorrow after I wake from my slumber. Generally felt so loved and appreciated, and I'm glad because, you know, yesterday I went through a lot of emotional frustration, but like today it's like I didn't even think about that. A lot of people out there, they get stupid and make a big deal out of your birthday, and sometimes I even go to myself like, why did I make such a big deal out of this day? But everybody's entitled to their own opinion. But me personally, I feel like birthdays are really a big deal because this is the day like you came to this earth, you know, like that you were born, and you deserve to be appreciated on that day because you're special. I hate to say it so blunt like this, but if you were dead and your birthday came around, everybody would be crying about how they wish you were here and how they wish they could be celebrating it with you. And I know because I've done it, but not that I didn't tell them happy birthday or didn't appreciate them while they were there, but you know, it still happens. But it's like, as people, so many times we don't want to appreciate people until they're gone, or whether that's out of our lives or that's out of this earth. So it's like, don't cry now that I'm not here. Like, you should have appreciated me when I'm here. And me personally, I am such a giving person. I do so much for everybody. I'm always there for everybody. Like, it's so hard for me to like put my like foot down. Sometimes I have to say like, no, can't do it because like that's not gonna make me feel good, because I've done so many things just to make other people feel good because I don't want somebody to do that for me, or I just want to make people feel good, help people. But it's like, all that I do for people, I generally do not think it is that much to ask for one day to feel appreciation, to feel that you guys actually love me and appreciate me. And there are a lot of people, it's like, I don't need that day from you per se because you make me feel appreciated all the time. But it's like, in general, I generally just don't think it's that much to ask to have one day where I feel loved and appreciated. And if you think that that is a lot to ask, then you simply are not for me. And that's okay, because, you know, not everybody's for everybody. I just generally feel like if you can't take one day to appreciate somebody you love, you're generally going to regret that. You don't want to regret not appreciating somebody while you have them, because when they're gone, and there's nothing you can do about that most of the time. So that's like why, if I get frustrated about stuff for my birthday not going right or something like that, the reason I'm getting frustrated is because I feel like it's not a lot to ask for one day of the year to feel loved and appreciated. And I understand that people have their own busy lives and their own busy schedules, but if you can't put it in your calendar, especially because I put everybody's birthday in my calendar, or whatever you need to do to remember, and you can't just send me a happy birthday text, the like bare minimum to type 2 words, you don't even have to type it, you can literally just use the little voice thing and say it out loud. Like, if you can't do the bare minimum of doing that, you generally are not for me, because I do not do the bare minimum for anybody in my life, and I don't deserve the bare minimum from anybody, and I've accepted it all too often. And that is not something I plan on doing moving forward, and it's something that I'm planning to release, seeing it moving forward. Wow, these are a lot of 21 birthday thoughts. My piano teacher texted me, and he was my piano teacher since I was 7. That's when we met, and up until when I left North Carolina, 17, so like 10 years. He's like, it's crazy to think you're turning 21, and I've known you since you were 7. And I was kind of like, wow, like, it's just so crazy to think that I'm not a kid anymore. I don't know. I mean, to me, in my mind, I'm low-key like, it's weird because it's like I feel like I'm an adult, but I also feel like I'm a kid. I feel like there are definitely some people around my age that have to feel the same way, because it's like I don't have all the full responsibilities of an adult, but I have most of the responsibilities of an adult, but I don't feel like I'm fully adulting. Like, I'm definitely adulting, but there's still some kid things there. Not childish things, but kid aspects that like aren't adult yet. And I'm gonna be honest, like I'm scared. Like I'm just like, I don't know if I'm ready to grow up. I don't know, for me, growing up is scary. Every year when I was a kid, I remember every birthday, I was like, I'm so glad to be turning blank because maybe people will finally take me serious this year. Like, I genuinely remember being like, I'm so happy to turn 9 this year because maybe people will take me seriously because I've been mature from a very young age. And I felt like people never took me seriously. And I thought if I was older, that people would take me seriously. So I just wanted to get older to be taken seriously. It's like, okay, I'm older and I'm taken seriously now. And it's like, it was never that deep. It's just funny the things you want as a kid and some things you get as an adult. And it's like, yeah, it wasn't necessary to grow up to get that. Being a kid is definitely better. And it's weird because I don't think I would want to go back to my childhood in terms of like reliving all of it. If I could relive certain moments, for sure. But it's like, it's weird because I don't want to relive my childhood. But the thought that like it's gone, so to say, is a really scary idea for me. It's a really scary thought. But I feel like as long as I nurture my inner child and let my inner child out, that I'll always, have that childlike quality running through me. Not childish, but childlike. That's something I never want to lose. My inner child. Today was a dream come true. I kind of also can't believe it took me 21 years to finally go to Disneyland, but I'm happy it did because I had a great time and everything worked out the way it should have. And I'm just so thankful for the people that love me and care about me and appreciate me and make me want to feel appreciated. I have some really good friends and family. I love them so much. I really appreciate that so many of them reached out to me and wanted to make my day special, wanted to talk to me, hear from me. Ultimately, what I want to say and end this video with, I don't even think I said the main thing I wanted to say. It's so crazy to think that I'm 21 because once upon a time, I could not imagine what 21 would look like because I didn't think I was going to make it that far. Not to get all sad on such a happy birthday vlog. It's not sad. I mean, I'm not sad. It's a happy thing that I'm in a much better place now. But like the thought of like, look at me now at 21, going after everything I want in this life and doing everything little Aya wanted me to do. I couldn't want it any other way. To be 21 and spend my day at Disneyland, the wonderful friend of mine, and feel so loved and cared about. It's like, wow, 21 is better than I could have ever imagined because I couldn't imagine anything. I'm just glad to still be here and I'm glad I didn't give up. And any of you guys want to give up, just try to think of what could be, because if I gave up, I wouldn't have had such a great experience like this, and I would have met all the amazing people I've met who contributed to this video in terms of gifts and the get together and just everything. And even just in my life, I am so hard on myself, but I could have never imagined. I mean, I imagined it, but like I knew it and I believed in myself so much I knew it could happen, but at the same time, it's like for it to happen and the things that happen to me, it's like, how can it be this good? My life is amazing. So ultimately, my thoughts that I want to leave with of being 21. I had an amazing day at Disneyland. It was a dream come true. I am truly blessed and grateful to be 21. I feel so loved and appreciated today, and that feeling, I wouldn't change it for the world. My heart just radiates and makes me feel so special, and I'm glad to be here and I'm glad to share this experience with you. Ultimately, I'm just really, really excited to see where 21 will take me. Well, that's all, folks. No, but that's all. That's all I gotta say. So thank you. I love you, especially if you watched up to this point, because boy, has today meant the world. Until next time, bye. Love y'all.